So in this video I'm going to unbox a dash camera from the brand VIOFO A229 Pro. So let's unbox this and also show you the process of installation which you can also do by yourself. So first let's unbox it. This is a premium range of dash camera from the brand VIOFO. Its model number is A229 Pro, which is having 4K camera in front and rear it is having QHD. This dash cam comes with Starvis 2 image sensors for front as well as rear camera. This is the first dash camera which comes with dual Starvis 2 sensor, which is considered as one of the best sensors for the dash camera for number plate reading as well as in terms of clarity. This specific model of dash camera is available in the form of 2 channel as well as 3 channel cameras. So this specific version which I have bought in this video is of 2 channel, which is having front and rear camera. I have bought this for 35,499 rupees from Amazon. Over here the features are explained. Here you can see it is having 4K Ultra HD front camera and QHD rear camera. It is having Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, built-in Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless connection Wi-Fi. It is having HDR feature in front and rear. It also supports voice control and notification. It features 2.4-inch HD screen and parking mode and GPS logo. So let's unbox this package. Here the diagram has been shown, dash cam wiring diagram, which shows how the wires get connected to the dash camera. So let's keep this aside. Here you can see this is the main unit, which is a front dash camera, and this is the second unit, which is a rear dash camera. So over here we get manual, how to operate and install. There are few extra 3M stickers and electrostatic stickers which you can use while applying the dash camera. Here the manual is given to read before installing it. Here at the bottom of the box there are some wires. So inside this there is all wiring things. So this is a 6-meter wire which is required for rear camera, and we also get a one car charger to plug in it into the car charging slot. So this is a one more wire of 6 meters, and we get 2 wires of 6 meters and 1 meter. With this we also get a CPL filter which you can install on the front camera. There is one Type-C data cable which you can use to connect it to the PC, and there is one trim removal tool which you can use while wiring. So here you can see you get a car charger with this, which is having 2 USB Type-A slots. So now let's unwrap the front camera and rear camera. This is the main unit, which is a front camera, which is also having a display. So here the buttons are also given through which you can easily control. Your back 3M sticker is given. So here is the micro SD slot. Here is a rear camera slot, and then if you wish to install interior camera later on, you can also install. There is a slot given in the dual channel camera unit also. So this is the rear camera. The front camera is of 8 megapixel and back camera is of 5 megapixel. You can attach this dash camera to the car charging slot, but if you want the camera to be turned on during the parking, then you will need to hardwire it. You can get the hardwire from the Amazon itself. I have put the links in the description of this video. You can directly buy it from them. So now let's begin with the installation. I will do the install by myself, as I will not do the hard wiring. I will directly connect it through the car charging adapter. So you can see the complete dash cam installation of this unit. Now I have done with the installation of the wiring at the front side. So let's plug in the front module of the camera to see if it is working correctly. And after plugging it, we'll adjust the camera and install it into the windshield. You'll need to insert a memory card into the SD card slot of this dash camera unit. As this is a 4K dash cam, you'll need to install a supported SD card. VIOFO is recommending to install a SanDisk Max Endurance card so that you don't face any problem. Once installing the SD card, you will need to select the language, select the time zone, select the speed units as per your preference, and format the memory card. Once the format is done, it will start recording. As we have not connected the back camera or rear camera, right now it is only recording through the front camera. So make the adjustment and install the front dash camera over the windshield by peeling off the 3M sticker. You can also adjust the camera up and down later on too, as it is having a adjustment settings. So make sure you properly adjust the camera and install it. You can make use of the windshield static sticker which is provided in the package, but they are not that much durable. If you apply the windshield static sticker, the dash camera will easily come out during the high temperature. So over here I will directly attach it without installing the windshield static sticker. So adjust the camera and install it carefully. You can view the alignment in the screen of this dash camera. Here there is an adjustment of the camera. You can move it up and down the camera module of the front unit. Once you are done installing the front camera, you can begin installing the rear camera. So there will be 6-meter wiring for the installation of back camera. Connect the end of this dash camera to the front unit of the camera where it is written as rear. The connector will be of type C. Connect it and navigate the wire through the trims of the car and bring the wire to the back windshield of the car. So over here I have brought the wire at the back windshield. Now you will need to carefully attach this back camera to the windshield. You can also move this camera up and down. Later on, if you wish to make any adjustment, you can move the camera up and down and align the camera. So carefully attach the camera by removing the 3M sticker. So now I am done with the installation of the back and front camera. Now let's install the CPL filter on the front dash camera. The front dash camera is a removable unit. You can easily detach the front module of the camera from the power adapter module. You will need to just slide it to the right side, remove the sticker or the protector from the camera lens, and then install the CPL filter. Here you will be able to see the mark on the camera. So when installing the CPL, you need to align the white mark on the CPL with the corresponding mark on the camera. Once you are done, attach the camera back to the power adapter. So connect the camera to the car charger port. Now the dash camera is recording from both the cameras, which is a front and rear camera. So to access the recordings or view the live recording on your phone, you will need to install the VIOFO app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, launch the app, allow the permissions which have been asked, and tap on the connect to camera. This will search for the camera. You will need to long press on the Wi-Fi button of the camera of the dash camera unit for a while, and then here you will need to tap on the continue button. On long pressing the Wi-Fi button on the camera, the Wi-Fi will be turned on. By default, the Wi-Fi on the dash camera unit will be turned off. Now you will need to tap on the continue button, and then it will ask you to go to the Wi-Fi settings of the phone, turn on the Wi-Fi, refresh the Wi-Fi network, and connect to the Wi-Fi network 5G VIOFO A229 P. When it is asking for password, you will need to enter 12345678 and tap on the connect button. Now after connecting to the Wi-Fi of the VIOFO, tap on the back button in the app. You will be able to see live view of the recording. Here you can switch to the back camera and front camera by tapping on the switch camera to view the camera. By pressing that, the recording won't stop of any of the camera, but it will show you the view of that specific camera. To access the recording, you will need to tap on the files icon you can see on the left corner. By tapping on it, you will be able to see the recordings and play the recordings. While playing the recordings, camera will stop recording. To able to record, you will need to come back to the main screen, which is live view. So if you want to view the sample video of the front and back side of this dash cam, then here are few samples which you can view and judge the quality. If you are planning to buy a dash camera and if you are expecting a very high quality video from your dash camera, then this is a must buy dash camera, which is VIOFO A229 Pro. So if you want to purchase the dash camera, then I have mentioned the link in the description of this video. You can directly buy it from there.